How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right. And from here, click on settings. On this page right here, click on manage all history. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here where you will see that at the top you have some options. So click on interactions. And on this page right here, scroll all the way down, then click on view other activity at the bottom. And here from the activity control section, you want to go to the YouTube history and then click on manage activity. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here, in which at the top you will see that you have some options. So click on interactions. And then from the video interactions section, click on video likes and dislikes. And once you do that, you will get to this page right here, from which you will be able to delete all of your liked videos on YouTube at once. So in order for you to do that, you just need to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Once you do that, you will get this list right here, from which you want to click on delete all. As soon as you do that, you will get this pop-up window right here, which is kind of a confirmation box that tells you what will happen when you do that. Click on delete to confirm. And once you do that, all of your liked videos on YouTube will be deleted and removed at once, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove all of your liked videos on YouTube at once. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.